Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to start by saying I'm really sorry that I've not uploaded videos since before Christmas, but it's been hectic here, and then we got like a really bad bug in the family, so I will start posting videos again soon. So in this video all I'm doing is just a simple gel polish application. I have already infilled these nails with acrylic, and then obviously this is just my gel polish. So I'm just putting on a base coat. Now you can miss out this step, but I like to do it anyway just to be sure. So at this stage I've popped the other hand in the lamp to cure, and then I'm just going to apply the base coat to the opposite hand and pop that in the lamp to cure as well. So now I'm going to go in with my first coat of the colour, and I'm using Burgundy Blitz here. So I'll do this whole hand, pop it in the lamp, and then I'll go back and do the second hand. And once they're both cured, I will go back in and do my second coat on these. Just popping back on just to apologise that I'm out of shot here. I never actually realised, because where my camera's positioned I can't actually see it properly, so I'll adjust my setting for next time. And also, yes, I do a lot of just tips, so I'm a tip queen. But I just feel like when I'm doing tips I can show you better what I'm doing, because I could do it slower rather than doing it on a client and the video being like so long. But I am going to keep practicing on clients when they allow me to do that, so that I'm giving better videos, because I don't want everybody thinking I just do tips. So anyway, as I said, this is the first coat of this Burgundy Blitz, and I've also done like a shimmery gold on, I don't know, I can't even remember the name of it. So it's on the ring fingers anyway, because on the ring fingers is where I'm going to do the blooming gel flowers. So now I'm just going to go in with my top coat on all the Burgundy Blitz nails and pop it in the lamp to cure again. I probably should have just skipped out this second hand because it's basically the same, but anyway, I've just left it in this time. So again, just going over these ones with the top coat and leaving the gold nail out because that's going to have a design on it. So now I'm going into this gold nail with the bloom gel. So I'm just applying that now. I'm applying it not too thick because you don't want it running about everywhere, but obviously give it enough so that the other gel can have enough to spread about in. So I'm just going to come in with my nail art brush and I'm basically just drawing on like C shapes or croissant shapes, whatever, and just working round and round and round. Now I am doing 2 flowers on each nail. And then once I'm happy, I'll just leave them just to allow the gel to spread out. I can't even speak today. And then when I'm happy with what it looks like, I'll pop it in the lamp to cure. And again, I'll do the same on the opposite hand. So I wanted to try and add in some glitter, so I'm just doing that. So I've just applied some top coat and I'm just placing this glitter on where I think it needs to go, and then I'll pop it in the lamp to cure, and then once it's cured I will bring it back out the lamp and put another top coat on because I don't want those glittery bits being jaggy and catching on anything. And same again on the opposite hand. And this is the finished set here, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. If there's anything you want me to do, just let me know in the comments.